Hello, this is Mr. Willis, and I want to introduce you to Microsoft PowerPoint. On your screen, the icon for PowerPoint looks like this orange P that we can see right here. So I'm going to double click that and open it up so we can get started. Now, the whole point of PowerPoint is basically to create slideshows. And so you create a series of slides, which we'll start to see line up over here, and put them together in a big show. This can be really useful if you're giving a talk about something, or if you're wanting to show a number of events in a series, or there's lots of different things you can do. I want to show you just a few of the basic features. So when PowerPoint opens up, it's usually going to start with some sort of a title slide, like what we see here. And unlike Word, this is not just a blank page where I can click anywhere. I'm trying to click right now, but you'll notice I have that little flashing bar. The cursor isn't appearing. I can only type where there are text boxes, like here. So I'll call this one My First PowerPoint. And in this one, I'll say this one is by Mr. Willis. So you can kind of see how we type in text. And there we go, we have a slide. Now, to make more slides, the main button that we want to look for is this New Slide button. It's in the Home menu, so you can see I'm already in the Home section. And when I click on New Slide, what I like to do is click on the words instead of this picture. When I click on the words, it gives me some options. I could do another title slide, I could do one that has a big thing of content underneath, I could do one that has several pictures, lots of different stuff. I'll click on this one for right now. On each slide, you can see we have text boxes to type things. I also have the option in big boxes like this where I could add a picture or clip art or video or lots of different things. For now, I'll just start typing. And you'll notice those boxes went away down here, but I can still add things just like in Word. When I want to insert the picture, I'm going to go to my insert menu, and there's lots of stuff we can insert into PowerPoint. I could insert a picture, which would be a picture from Google or something like that. Clip art, which has the same clip art search that appears over here, just like you may have seen in Word. I could do a photo album, which is a whole bunch of pictures, shapes, charts, all kinds of different things. So that's the insert menu. Alright, I'm not going to insert anything new right now. The next thing I want to show you is design. This lets me really change the way that my PowerPoint slides look. And so you'll see there's a number of different pre-made designs that they have. You can also go in and all by yourself change colors, fonts, different effects, and really make this look however the style seems to fit whatever you're doing best. So you have a lot of choices. The next two sections are transitions and animations, and this is where it really changes from just being pictures to being something a little more dynamic. Transitions are how we switch from one slide to the next. So this is kind of a fun one called Honeycomb, where you'll see it kind of appears in all of those weird little checks, or the dissolve, which you can see it kind of fades in, or the vortex is probably one of the craziest ones where you've got all those different pieces kind of flying in from the side there. Animations takes one individual item, like I could take the words here and I could animate just those words. And so you see how those words just appeared in a funny way. There's lots of different ways we can change and tweak the animations. Same for the transitions, lots of little ways to tweak it. I'm not going to go into all those on the video, but just know that they're there, and if you're making a PowerPoint, you can try this stuff out to see what you can make it look like. Final one I want to show you is the slideshow menu. This is where I actually see what it's going to look like. The main one we use is play slideshow from beginning, and that will make your slideshow appear full screen. I actually have my settings kind of funny to where it's going to appear on a different screen right now, so I'm not going to actually play the slideshow, but this is how you start playing it and see how all your animations and everything are coming together. So there is PowerPoint.